Hey, everyone, welcome back to Health Harmony. Today, we're going to talk about a beginner's workout routine that will help you achieve your fitness goals while keeping you in a balanced and healthy state. So, let's dive right in. First things first, before you start your workout journey, it's essential to have a proper evaluation with a certified personal trainer or physical therapist to determine your fitness level and identify any areas where you might need assistance or improvement. This ensures that you're working with the right intensity and approach to achieve the best results. Now, let's talk about a beginner-friendly workout routine that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. 1. Warm up. Start with a 5-minute warm-up to get your blood flowing and prepare your muscles for the workout. You can do dynamic stretches, jogging in place, or some jumping jacks. 2. Cardio. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, broken into sessions of at least 10 minutes. This can include activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. 3. Strength training. Perform strength training exercises for all major muscle groups at least 2 to 3 times per week. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, using proper form and technique to avoid injuries. 4. Flexibility. Incorporate stretching exercises into your routine 2 to 3 times per week to improve flexibility and range of motion. Focus on areas like your hamstrings, knees, and back. 5. Rest and recovery. Remember to listen to your body and take at least 48 hours between workout sessions to allow for muscle recovery and repair. Additionally, get enough sleep and stay hydrated. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building a healthy lifestyle. Make sure to stay dedicated to your workout routine and listen to your body. As you progress, you can increase the intensity and duration of your workouts while still maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. That's it for today's workout routine. We hope this helps you get started on your fitness journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay healthy and happy exercising.